guys, so today I'm going to clean the car, and there's a little story behind this. So let me show you the car. So as you can see, looks dusty, yeah? So the neighbours have had a lovely new drive, and during that they decided to cut the blocks without stopping the dust, and now my car is covered. That's right, covered. So today what I'm going to do is simply give it a quick wash. Nothing too fancy, just a nice quick wash, and just get the dust off. The paint's already been marked whilst it's been dusty, so in the summer I'm going to have to give it a full machine polish, but for now I just want to get the dust off and just make it look better. So yeah, here we go. So people, like I said, I'm going to keep it really simple today. We are literally going to use this bad boy, Bilt Hamber touchless. I've mixed it up to what I need. Honestly, if you're going to use it, you need to have a good read of that and work out what you need. But yeah, I'm going to use that. It's mega stuff, and hopefully it's going to help get most of the dust off. And then at the same time, I've got all my stuff ready for the wheels, arches, all ready to go, brushes, the lot, and I'm using the one I always use, Auto Finesse Revolution wheel soap. So let's get on and get this thing foamed up and see if we can get some of this crap off. In here I'm using Valet Pro, and it's Bilberry, the wheel cleaner, mega stuff, used it for ages. Right, like I say, it's just really quick. In them spokes, bit on the back, just give it a good, get rid of the crap. This brush is wicked, nice and soft. Good brush, had it ages. Somewhere in here, some airbrush. scratches, so it can be a nightmare to clean. Soft noodle mix to run over the top. Look at that, box. What I do like to do is get my soft 99 brush just in between there. Right, that's it. I'm going to crack on, get the others done and get rinsing. There we go, that's just a rinse. So I've took the touchless off, wheels have been cleaned, ignore the scuffs, they need sorting, but yeah, not too bad. So, now, today I think what I'm going to do is cold, and we're about to get some cold weather and the gritters will be out, so I think what I'm going to do is a single bucket with a grit guard wash, nice and simple. Like I say, I'm going to have to polish it in the summer. The builders have pretty much ruined it, so it's already scratched, but I'll try not to scratch it anymore. But I reckon a one bucket, grit guard, some Bilt Hamber shampoo, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll come out alright. We'll dry it off, clean the windows, bit of tyre shine, it's just good to go. But bear in mind I washed this a week and a half ago and then the builders ruined it, so actually it wasn't that dirty underneath, as you can see. It's not looking too bad. There we go. Bucket is all ready. I'm just going to put use a jet wash lance in there now just to foam it up a bit more. But like I say, I use this auto wash by Bilt Hamber. Mega stuff. If you use it, you know how little you need, and it ain't a lot, and it works. So let's give it a wash. So I've got grit guard in the bottom, so try and keep it as safe as we can. Hopefully get it a little bit cleaner. The snow phone. Yeah, arches. Not too bad. So I think we're about there now. Now I'm going to use this stuff. Bought this 2 weeks ago. I haven't used it yet. So I've read the packet and I'm not going to do it how the packet says. So I've done some research and apparently you can put it in a spray bottle, spray it on, rinse it off. So here's one I made earlier. The car spray bottle, and I think I've got the ratio alright, but right, this isn't the tutorial, so don't do what I do, but you can try it. So I'm literally going to go around now, spray this on and then rinse it off, but I'll do a section at a time. So let's go. Right, remember it's the first time using this, so I don't know if it's any good or what, but give it a go. Spray everywhere. Right, so I'm just going to do this one whole side. Right, let's see how it rinses now. You ready? Back into that then. Ain't too bad, is it? Ain't too bad. Right. Let's get on with the rest of it. It worked. That's now finished with Bilt Hamber, touch on. I'm happy with that. Simple process. So I'm going to dry it, clean the windows, I can bit tire shine, and then I think we're going to call it a day on that one. So guys, job is a good one. Just take you around. Now, just remember, this car is day-lid, there's a school run, there's everything. It's a family car. You reckon? What do you reckon? Now I want to know let me know down below in the comments. What you reckon to quick washing like this? Is it okay? Do you do it? If you do it, what do you use? Basically, what products do you think are best for a quick wash? Sundays it took me an hour and a half max, tea break, bit of this, bit of that, and I think it looks bob on. So let's sum it up. Mostly Bilt Hamber products today. I've been using this one years, I reckon. It's the bee's knees. Always use it. You don't need a lot of it. It works. It does what it should. Touchless is new to me. I got it a week and a half ago. Second time I've used it now, and it's, yeah, I can't fault it. And then we put some of this on it. Now, I've never used it before. I put it in the spray bottle like I showed you, and well, you've probably seen the results during the video, but I'm well impressed. This stuff is nice. It does what it's supposed to. It's just good. And I haven't done it to this. This is just dried. I've not put anything on it. I've done the windows, which use Glaco, however you say it, Soft 99. The windows have been done. And then a bit of tie shine. And again, I use that. Good old stuff's been around for ages. Does the job, lasts ages. And the wheels were cleaned with this. I always use this. I just always have. I've always liked Auto Finesse, but yeah, it's one of my favourite products from them. So yeah, just remember though, this is not a tutorial. I've just tried to sort it as best I can. So happy days, that's all I can say. So I think that's it from me today. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if there's any better ways I could do it, or anything you would do differently, and I'll be more than happy to try it out. Thanks again, guys. See you in the next one. Happy days. Bosh.